Do you know, plants need very few things to cook their food.
What are those?
They get sunlight, which is their fire to heat. The root brings water from underground, and the leaves absorbs carbon dioxide gas from the air. All these gets mixed up in leaves and the food is ready. You know how plants absorb water?
They have a straw inside them and they drink water from ground like we drink cold drink.
You're right. They have tubes called xylem. They absorb water through it.
Yeah, these xylems are like straws.
You know, these tiny holes under leaves are called stomata. Plants absorb carbon dioxide through these. These stomatas are like windows in the room, from where air can pass through.
Stomata, holes like windows in plant leaves.
So, now plant has water, carbon dioxide and sunlight. So, here the cooking begins. Let me show you something.
Oh wow, this is inside of a leaf.
Yes, if you see a leaf under microscope, you would see there are brick-like structures. These are called cells. The cells on the top layer are called mesophyll cells.
What is inside these cells?
Let me show you.
What are these green blocks?
Oh, these are called chloroplasts. Now see this.
Oh, I think green color of leaves is because of this chloroplasts.
Yes, you're right. In chloroplast cells, there is chemical called chlorophyll, which gives green color to the plants.
So food is made here.
Yes, in these cells, with carbon dioxide, sunlight, and water, plants make food.
Sun plus carbon dioxide plus water is equal to glucose plus oxygen.
Oh, the oxygen which we breathe also come from plants.
You're right.
So, plants make food and we get oxygen. Cool!
Yes, see, plants always help us.
But tell me, why this cooking by plant is called photosynthesis?
Oh, photo means light and synthesis means mixing. So, mixing, which takes place under sunlight, is called photosynthesis.
Let me note it down. Carbon dioxide plus water plus sunlight is equal to food for plants plus oxygen for others.
Last point. You know, plants make the food in leaves. That is why it is called the food factory of the plant. Let me show you something.
Oh, this is mushroom plant.
Do you know, in mushroom plants, there is no photosynthesis.
Then how do they make their food?
They don't make their own food. They suck their food from the place they grow on.
Are there more plants like that?
Yeah, there are plants who don't make their own food.
But how does this plant get food?
My magic wand would show this. See, this plant traps the insect and eats these insects or small animals like frogs. This plant's name is Venus flytrap.
Oh, this is so interesting.
Yes, but there are only few plants who don't make their own food.
Yeah, very few non-vegetarian